All right, guys, we back today on the IS. You see what we doing? We got all this stripped off, all these sensors, wires, all that. And yeah, you gonna get this bay looking somewhat presentable. That's probably a 10. I gotta pop that off too. Cinematic mode be hidden. Yeah, it is a 10. Yeah. Y'all see it. We gonna get all that. We may pop that off too. If I can spray up under it, I will. But let's pop this little, I guess it's a ground off. Pop off this ground. Get that out the way so we don't spray that. Yeah, get that tucked out the way. Now I'm just continue to spray this. Spraying the harness ain't really a big issue to me. I mean, if it's black, it's black. Oh well.
We black. We go fuck.
But yeah, we're gonna do all that. And we're gonna come and do the same to the other side. Then, oh, this is after that. But that'll be in like part 2, 3. We're gonna knock this out, this video. Yeah, that's good. Yeah. I'm really being conservative where I spray this at, especially in spots I didn't tape up. But if I hit some, lines, I don't really care because they're supposed to be black anyways, right? So get all that. Get some down in there. Couple more coats. It's all nice and coated. Better than having all this shit look tacky and rusty. That way, I can print out my decals and do the same thing on here. But I'm gonna do this black too to match that. But yeah, that's that side. That side's gonna dry for right now. Actually, this side's gonna get another coat real quick. Damn. And I got my tripod. I can hold it though. Get another coat like right here along these lines. Like that right there. Make sure I got a good amount of coats on it. Alright, that's pretty good right there for this side. It's just gonna have to dry, which is totally fine. You might as well. Until you can get you a car, I mean, shit.
Slam in and save up and get some pack shit.
Yeah.
I still have some cruise.
Alright, guys, that's right there. That's nice and glossy. We're gonna just do this other side right here now. Doing light coats for now. Y'all might say this is tacky, but bro, I don't give a damn. You see this? You see how this shit look?
That nigga see your own marketplace.
Yeah, I'm probably about to trade this bitch anyway. You think I give a fuck? Plus, I mean,
you swap.
It looks better, bro. It looks better than all the other shit. Like, that looks way better. Then I'm gonna do it in black too. And I got the little cover right here that's white. Might try to pull this off. Nah, it's wrapped around a pulley. I can't pull it off, but yeah. Gotta fix this too. Might just do it like I can't really delete this because it's attached to the radiator. It's built into it. That's what I was about to say. Literally, like an alcohol bottle or something. I'm gonna spray that too. Getting the marketplace of makeover, ain't it? Nah, I don't really care. I look-key want to keep this car, y'all. So this is better than what the fuck it was. By a whole lot. Yeah, and a lip. Knee skirts and a lip, yeah. I do. He got that. I think it's wired up wrong, for real. Nah, the other switch makes it go back. The tilt switch make it go back. From the fucking radio shit, that's what I thought. But yeah, y'all, we just really getting this nice and good and sprayed. Wait till that wind stop. Then I'll be back with y'all when we pretty much done. But anyways, y'all, you guys can see this side's pretty much done. I'm just gonna wait to clear coat it. This side's pretty much done. The top of this, I'm gonna do that yellow. This is gonna correspond with the cover that's gonna go on there. But you can see it's all done. It really doesn't look bad. And it's the engine bay. I really don't care if it's a little bit of orange feel and all that in it, but yeah, looks better. Next up is this. This may get color match to the black. I don't know. This is gonna get black though, cause I don't know what I was thinking with the white, but it's gonna be too much white with that. Then I gotta get matching couplers and match that also. And sometime or another, we're gonna straighten out all this. I did that earlier with the sledge because the hood was a little bit misaligned. You can see they got it pulled up a little bit, but we're gonna do all that black too. And yeah, looks damn good. Car's coming together. I'm gonna put the cover on there now, actually. It's done. Alright guys, anyways, back on the IS, man. It's gonna be the end of this video. Y'all see the wheels. But yeah, here's the engine bay paint. Looks pretty good if you ask me. So the rest of these classes gotta get done up and stuff like that. But bro, and I'm gonna get that trim for right there. I'm gonna either pop the fender off and paint that right there too, but looks way better. Anyways, if y'all like the video, bro, like the video, subscribe, share it with your friends, bro. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. I just gotta, you guys already know, we gotta do cleanup time. Yeah, we're also, another time, we're also gonna do this, we're gonna do all this black too. This whole crash bar. All this is gonna be black. Valve covers are going black. Also, we just need to order the valve cover kit. I'm gonna order some heat protective wire to protect all of that wiring right there, and wrap that around there. But yeah, it's the valve cover. Oh, the gear cover, whatever you call it. Yeah, that's the engine bay. Appreciate y'all for checking it out. Peace out.